Let me fix my chopping board with this tape.
Hey, poor girl, are you mad? Your cutting board not repairable. Look, it's moldy wood. Don't be sad. I'll make you a brand new cutting board. Friends, she is a poor woman and have not money to buy new chopping board, so I decided to make a brand new cutting board for her.
Brother, you work so hard for me, but still people don't even like your video.
Sister, don't be sad. These kids are really kind-hearted. Come on, kids. Let's see who truly loves their poor. Whoever loves their poor should like the video, subscribe the channel, and write in the comment, I love poor. Hey, sister, look, your chopping board is almost ready. Now you can cut the vegetable on your new cutting board.
Thanks for the help, brother.